Hey there guys, welcome to Cuban Eats first video. The recipe we're gonna try today is called fricasé de pollo or a chicken fricasse, and it's a recipe that I really love cooking. It's very close to my heart, so I hope you guys enjoy it as well. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends. I'm open to suggestions, so please leave any suggestions that you guys have as to what other recipes would you like to see me cook. And again, enjoy. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna gather ingredients for our chicken fricasse. We're gonna need 5 to 6 pieces of chicken, preferably drumsticks or thighs. Then we're gonna need a third of a cup of extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna need half a fire roasted bell pepper, a cup of red onion, an eighth a cup of cilantro, 3 large garlic cloves, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon with tomato, and a little packet of Goya Sazón with culantro and achiote. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna turn our stoves to medium high. We're gonna add our oil. We're gonna add our onions. Our garlic and pepper. And our red bell pepper. We're gonna mix that in. And we're gonna saute this until the onions become translucent. If you need to adjust the temperature, do so the garlic doesn't burn, because then they will give it a very, very bitter taste, and we don't want that. Now you see our onions are nice and transparent. We're gonna add our chicken bouillon and our Goya seasoning. Now we're gonna add our chicken one by one. So while this is getting nice and golden, I want you guys to go get 2 cups of water that we can add to this. So you see that nice red color? That's exactly what we want. Let's flip this around. So now that my chicken is nice and golden how I want it, we're gonna add the cilantro. We're gonna stir that in. Also, remember how I told you guys that if you needed to adjust the temperature, you can. I had to. My temperature is now medium because it was a little bit too hot. So now that we have our cilantro in, we're gonna add the 2 cups of water that I told you guys. You might need to add a little bit more, a little bit less, according to your pan size. So we want to add enough to almost cover the chicken. That is nice. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring it back to medium high. We're gonna let it boil, bring it to a boil. And then, as you can see, it just started boiling. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna reduce our temperature to low. Low, medium, low. So now we're gonna check on our chicken. Oh, perfect, it's nice and tender. So we're gonna increase the temperature to medium, so we can get all the sauce to thicken. And I'm gonna cover it a little bit. So while our sauce thickens, we're gonna get a separate spoon and we're gonna go ahead and try the sauce to make sure it's salty enough. Be careful, it's gonna be hot. Perfect. And you're gonna add salt accordingly. Right now, tastes salty enough for my palate, but if you think it needs more salt, then go ahead. Let's check on our chicken now. Perfect. We're gonna go ahead and turn it off. And as you can see, our sauce is nice and thick. So we're gonna go ahead and chop a little bit of cilantro so we can use it as a garnish. So there you have it, guys, fricassé de pollo. Hopefully you give it a try, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. Feel free to drop any comments. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Until next time.